Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a video for you. It's a late video, I should have done it on Friday, I do apologise. Today's video is on my lovely friend Amber's nails. So we're using tips today. I started off by just prepping the nail by just applying some primer to her nail. And on these nails we're going for the pink theme, we're going for the bit girly-fied. She wanted to be girly and feminine. So on the first nail here on the little finger I just applied some plain acrylic because I'm actually going to apply gel polish to that later on. So on the ring finger here I applied a glitter mix that she chose. It's got little love hearts and pink glitter. It's really cute. So it was a couple of mixes that we created together. She chose what she wanted and I just mixed them. So basically it's her mix. So yeah, I just use my Miss You Beauty clear acrylic liquid and powder to encapsulate these nails. If you are wondering, I do have my discount code for that. It is Beautybigbang, and that's for you all to enjoy a 10% discount on their website, so head over there. I will also put that in the description box below, along with any products that I use in this video for you. So now I'm just applying the clear acrylic liquid and powder to encapsulate that design there. And the products I'm using, like I said, are Miss You Beauty's acrylic powder and liquid. So on the middle finger we went for a white powder, and inside this powder we have lots of iridescent glitters. So I also have some chunky pieces of iridescent as well, some iridescent hexagons, and some smaller pieces of iridescent glitter. And again, I just encapsulate that powder in clear acrylic liquid and powder to secure the glitter. So I'm just filing and buffing my nails. The drill, or the e-file, sorry, that I'm using today is my JSDA e-file, and I'm just using the cuticle bit here just to make sure that the cuticle area is lovely and flush to the natural nail. And the gel polish that I'm using is from Candy Coat. It's number 13 and it's like a very pale pastel pink and it's gorgeous. So I just apply this to the little finger and to her thumb and I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And so I'm just going in with my second coat here, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So now I just apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat to those two nails, the little finger and the thumb, because we're going in with some chrome powder from Beautybigbang. So this gel I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And here is the chrome powder. It's like a purpley pink. It's I did a review on it a couple of weeks ago. I will leave you the link to that video in the description box so you can see. I did put it over a black gel polish in my review video, but on this design we put it over pink and it came out absolutely gorgeous. I think it's called unicorn powder. Anyway, like I said, I'll leave you the link to that. It looked absolutely beautiful over that pastel pink. It was gorgeous. and so I went in then with another layer of my top coat, not UV gel top coat, and I applied it to all of the nails barring the middle finger because I was going to do a little bit of nail art on that one. So once this was applied to the nails, I cured it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So on the middle finger we used the same gel polish that we used, number 13 from Candy Coat, and I did like a drip design. So I applied this colour with a very fine detail brush, one that I got from Uber Chic Beauty a while back for a review video. I do apologise, my thumbnail is rather long and it did get in the way a little bit. Hopefully you will bear with it. Sorry about that, guys. So once I completed this design, I then cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So after I completed this and it cured in the LED lamp, I then applied a layer of top coat, again which I cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. Again, I do apologise that it is late, it should have been up on Friday. So I am very, very sorry for that, but I really appreciate all of your comments recently, all of your lovely comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. Again, like I said, if you enjoyed it, please give me a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment, tell me what you thought to this design, if you enjoyed it, if you've got any ideas or any designs that you'd like me to try, let me know. Leave me a comment in the description, in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.